Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Possible road rage incident in North Philadelphia spilled into a nearby pizza shop where shots were fired.
One driver involved in this dispute is dead, and the search is on for the gunman now. Action News reporter Corey Davis is live at police headquarters with the latest on this investigation. Good morning, Corey.
Maggie and Matt, good morning. Investigators are telling me that this started with a minor crash, possibly involving road rage. They're still trying to get to the bottom of that. But then all of this went inside. The situation, the argument escalated, went inside the pizza shop where we're told the victim was shot in the head.
The pizza takeout did record some pretty clear images of our shooter and pretty clear images of the shooting.
Homicide investigators watched it all play out on video from multiple angles. They say the 26-year-old victim was driving this Honda when he got into a minor crash with another man and pulled over outside of Pete's Pizza. The business is next to Girard College near the intersection of Ridge and North College Avenue in North Philadelphia. We're being told the men started arguing and then they went into the pizza shop where they got into a fight. Police say the shooter shot the victim in the head and then left the store in what is believed to be a dark-colored or black SUV.
Homicide detectives will retrieve all the camera, all the recordings, and hopefully we can get a license plate from the shooter's vehicle. But we also have a pretty good description of that shooter with the shoulder-length dreadlocks they appear to be gray in color, the dreadlocks.
Philadelphia police reported on Sunday that a man sought for fatally shooting another man inside a pizza restaurant following a minor car accident is now in custody. According to a police spokesperson's email, 48-year-old Jamel Brunson turned himself in to homicide detectives on Saturday. The incident occurred shortly after midnight on November 21st when Brunson was involved in a fender bender. Both drivers exited their vehicles and entered Pete's Pizza, located in the 2000 block of Ridge Avenue. Inside the establishment, an altercation ensued, during which Brunson allegedly drew a firearm and fatally shot the other driver, identified by police as Philadelphia resident Jamel Brunson.
That we've been following, police say the suspect who shot and killed a man at a North Philadelphia pizza shop has turned himself in. Now, police released these photos of the man that they were looking for, but he has now been identified as Jamel Brunson. This all happened at Pete's Pizza on Ridge Avenue just after midnight this past Thursday, and police say that he shot and killed a man after being involved in a minor car crash.
All right, 6:39. Oh, here's another bad one.
Right, a murder suspect surrendered in connection with a deadly road rage shooting out of a man inside of a pizza shop. Surveillance pictures show the suspect, 48-year-old Jamel Brunson, in the store early Thursday morning. Police say he killed a 26-year-old victim over a minor car crash outside of Pete's Pizza. According to police, Brunson followed the victim inside of the pizza shop, fired 2 shots, one of them hitting the man in the head.
The man accused of shooting and killing a man in North Philadelphia pizza shop last week has turned himself in to police. 48-year-old Jamel Brunson is facing murder and gun charges. We first broke the story when it happened early Thursday morning at Pete's Pizza on Ridge Avenue. Investigators believe the incident started with a minor crash, possibly involving road rage.